Forecast back forecast USDJPY, simple trading tips for beginner traders on October 10. Review of yesterday's Forex Trades review of trades and trading tips. The premium article will be available in 000010.10.2025 AM. The premium article will be available in 000010.10.2025 AM. Review of trades and trading tips for the Japanese YenA. Test of the 152.87 level occurred when the MetaTrader indicator began moving upward from the zero line, confirming a correct entry point for buying the dollar, which resulted in a 35 pip rise in the pair.The. Japanese yen remained under pressure after additional U.S. Federal Reserve officials expressed concern about inflation yesterday, preferring a more cautious position on interest rates. The market reacting instantly to such rhetoric. The yen, already influenced by the fresh articles, are available only to premium users. Read analytics in early access, getting information first. Get